Hey guys, Patrick here. It's been a while. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm not lazy, I've just been busy. Yeah. So, today we're going to talk about Chinese pronunciation, specifically a very tricky final. Yu. Yeah, now I know the yu sound has been a pain in the ass for a lot of learners. Why? Because people keep confusing u and yu. Yeah, let's break it down. So, first, let's start with oo sound. Yeah, it's pretty easy, right? You just round your lips. It's like the the double O in food or fool, right? No problem. Now, u sound. This one is the challenge. So here's what people usually get wrong. So they either mix it up with oo, or they can't stop moving their lips when they shouldn't. So by that I mean actually a lot of people can start to pronounce the u sound correctly. They know how to start because at the beginning part the u was perfect. But when they finish the sound, they stretch their lips out. Okay, so don't do that. Let me show you the wrong one. So, yeah, yeah. It's funny, right? Yeah. Why? I don't know, because some people just feel like not very comfortable with rounding their lips. They have to relax. So when you round your lips too hard, you feel it's tiring. Yeah, I just have to relax. So when you're pronouncing yeah, 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 that's where people get wrong. Okay, so the trick, how do you correct that? So try to, try not to stretch your lips before the sound was gone. Okay, when you're pronouncing it, let me show you the right one. I just stretched my lips, right? But I stretched my lips after I finished the sound. And so instead of doing yeah, I do yu, yu. Yeah, so that's the trick. Yeah. Okay. So I know, like, it can still be challenging. Yeah. I mean, I'm Chinese, so it's pretty natural for me to do it. Yeah, I know. Yeah. If you still find it difficult, yeah, let me show you another trick. It's cheat trick. Yeah. So, if you feel like you need to relax your lips, just use a different way to relax it. Okay. So instead of stretching out your lips, you try to make an e sound right after yu. So the e sound, like English double e. Okay. Let me show you how to do this. So yu, yu. See? Yu and e. Okay. Yu. Right? So why? Because if you do it fast enough, no one will notice you made an e sound. Yeah, let me give you an example. 下雨,下雨. Yeah, I think you can tell it. Yeah, since I just told you. Yeah, you can tell it. You can hear the e sound. But if I do it really fast, 昨天下雨了吗?昨天下雨了吗? You see, if I put 雨 in the middle, right, you wouldn't notice there's an e sound because it's short enough, right? So, okay, another example. 吃鱼,吃鱼,吃鱼. Okay. 出去,出去, right? Okay, 出去, 出去. Another example. 我去中国，我去中国，我去中国。Slow， 我去中国。Faster， 我去中国。Even faster， 我去中国，我去中国。You see, if you do it fast enough, no one would notice. I know you're doing it wrong, but no one would notice. Yeah, people will say, "Oh, okay, you pronounce it correctly." Yeah, okay. Yeah, so yeah, that's how you do the yu sound. Yeah, yu sound. Let me give you some other examples. Yeah. So, 去，出去，出去，出去。Yeah, I know like 出去 is kind of difficult. Some people pronounce it as 出去, right? 出去. Yeah. So you see 呜 sound. 呜, it's kind of like you're swallowing in. 呜, 呜. But 去, it's going out, right? There's an outflow of air. 出 in, 去 out. Okay, try to get that feeling. Yeah, your yu sound will sound better. Yeah, okay. Another example, 鲨鱼, 鲨鱼, 鲨鱼. Faster, 鲨鱼. Yeah, you wouldn't know. Yeah, right? I just made yi sound, but you wouldn't know. Yeah, 鲨鱼. Yeah. 女儿, 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 女儿. Daughter. Yeah. 女朋友, 女朋友. Yeah. Try to pronounce yi in the slow version and try to make it faster so no one would notice. 女朋友, 女朋友, 女朋友. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Also, yeah. Here's another thing. So, some learners know how to pronounce yu. Yeah, they know how to pronounce it. But they forget that in pinyin, the two dots on top disappear after these initials, J, Q, X, and Y. So you get ju, ju, right? As in ju sentence, ju. And chu, chu. It should be, the two dots, but the two dots should be gone after those. Oops. Yeah. Okay, and also there's no such thing as ju, chu, shu, yu. So with these finals, you can't put a wu sound in it. You can't. Yeah. So remember, it's always yu in those cases. It's always yu, even if the dots are missing. Yeah. All right. That's it for today. And yeah, just practice makes perfect. And if you mess up, yeah, just come back to this video to learn some tricks. Yeah. Okay. So, alright, thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. 再见。